Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the MaytagRefrigerator Acoustic Fiber. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new acoustic fiber. The acoustic fiber dampens the noise of the compressor. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and you're getting noise coming from the compressor area. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the refrigerator. Now that we're on back, we're going to use the corner nut driver to take out the screws to hold the access panel on. Once you have the screws out, we have to lift the power cord out. It's just held in by this little plastic fitting. So we're just going to lift up on it. Once you have it out, you can pull the access panel off the machine. Our panel was already missing the acoustic fiber. It had fallen off some time ago. So you just want to make sure you clean off any residue before you put the new one on. We're going to use a putty knife to get all the residue off, but you can use whatever you want. Once you have the residue cleaned up, you want to wipe it down with some alcohol or something to make sure any residue is gone so the new tape will stick good. Here's the old acoustic fiber next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new acoustic fiber on, we're just going to peel the back sticky part off. And then we're just going to center it, stick it on. Once you have it stuck in place, we can put the access panel back onto the refrigerator. To put the panel in, we're just going to lift up the cord, line up the cutout for the cord, and then there's this little slot that goes around the power cord that we have to line up and push down onto the panel. Once you have it bottomed out, we can lift it up into place, and then we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put in the screws. We're just going to put these in loose so we can line up the panel and make sure all the screw holes are correctly lined up. And we can put the rest of them in. Once you have the screws tightened down, you can plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.